What's going on, growers? It's James Prigioni coming to you live from Jersey. Today is the second day of summer, and I wanted to kick things off by bringing you along for a harvest from the backyard food forest. Let's go!
Yeah. It's the truth, I step into the night, but it never made sense to me. Some crave the limelight, makes me wonder how I'm supposed to be. Could it be wrong to kick back and just ride? Well, let the truth be told, when in my zone, learn from the finest techniques. Let the truth be sold to you, come to your own, but you're moving too quick, don't speak. Just listen. No doubt gonna lay my claim, you put in work and just wait. Let it all unfold, straight from the soul. Now I stick to my goal always. And damn right, gotta lay my claim. Watch the whole world change. Let it all unfold, straight from the soul. Now I stick to my goal always. It's the truth, I step into the night, but it never made sense to me. Some crave the limelight, imagine if they put the time to seek, to find a talent and watch it take flight. Yeah, now let the truth be told, go to your zone, learn from the finest techniques. Let the truth be sold to you, come to your own, but you're moving too quick, don't speak. Just listen. No doubt, gotta lay my claim. You put in work and just wait. Let it all unfold, straight from the soul. Now I stick to my goal always. Damn right, gotta lay my claim. Watch the whole world change. Let it all unfold, straight from the soul. Now I stick to my goal always. Feels right, then it can't be wrong. La na 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 na. Feels right, then it can't be wrong. Yeah. And all in, gotta keep my feel. La na 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 na. All in, gotta keep things real, yeah. Don't speak, just listen. Don't speak, just listen. Don't speak, just listen. Don't speak, just listen. Don't speak, just listen.
I hope this old train breaks down, then I could take a walk around. You see, there's no time, you see, 'cause time is just a melody. The people in the street walk the fastest the feet can take 'em. I just roll through town. The window's got a view, but the frame I'm looking through seems to have no concern for now. For now, I need this here old train to break down. Oh, please just let me please break down. When this engine screams out loud, centipede gonna crawl westbound. So I don't even make a sound. It's gonna sting me when I leave this town. The people in the street I never get to meet. These tracks don't bend somehow. And I've got no time that I've got to get to where I don't need to be for now. And I need this here old train to break down. Oh, please just let me please break down. And I need this here whole train to break down. Oh, please just let me please break down.
Wanna break on down, but I can't stop now.
'Cause you can't stop nothing if you got no control. Thoughts in your mind that you kept and you know. You don't know nothing but you don't need to know. Wisdom's in the trees, not the glass windows. Can't stop wishing if you don't let go. Things that you find and you lose and you know. You keep on rolling, the moment's on hold. Frames too bright, so put the blinds down low. And
I want to mention something, and I think it ties in well with the video, and it has to do with what you're focused on when you're out here planting or even planting your garden in the winter. So you want to make sure you're seeing the harvest when you put the seeds in the ground. You want to keep that on your mind the whole time. You want to think of the good that can happen. You don't want to just focus on all the negative, on whether or not bugs can come and all those different kind of issues that you could possibly run into. Rather, you want to think on the good. You also want to be realistic. So, I mean, you want to make sure you're prepared for anything that could go wrong, but you're always expecting the best. I think that'll just encourage you to get out here, to put the extra work in, to put the extra time in, the extra effort in, that'll truly lead to those bigger harvests. If you guys are enjoying the video, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to support the channel, if you love what we're doing, if you love the food forest and seeing us pick the trees, the fruit right off the trees, then check out some of the merchandise. I'll put a link in the description, and then right at the bottom, you can scroll and grab something too.
This here old train to break down. Oh, please just let me please break down. And I need this here old train to break down. Oh, please just let me please break down.
Oh, well, I know you stroked the setup, baby, of all the leaves up in the ground. And I know your song is old but healthy, yes, I see dry leaves falling down. With all this fever in my mind, I could drown in your kerosene eyes. You're just a riddle in the sky. Where do my bluebird fly? And as the early sigh of dawn will thunder, I see you stir the fog around. And when you find the voice and gears of sunset, we'll hear that high and lonesome sound. Oh. And I would question every wind if they gone through the glow of your eyes. So you're just a riddle in the sky. Where do my bluebird fly? Oh, well, I know you stroke your feathers, baby, upon the ghosts along my trail. And I know our light was sold and buried before I knew it was for sale. Oh. With all this fever in my mind, I should should aim for your kerosene eyes. So you're just a target in the sky. Where do my bluebirds fly?
Forgiveness is the garment of our courage, the power to make the peace we long to know. Open up our eyes to see the wounds that bind all of humankind. May our shuddered hearts greet the dawn of life.
That's today's video, growers. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. As you can see, we got a nice harvest to start the summer off. There's nothing better than eating organic food right from your own backyard. As you can see, some of the flies are trying to get some of our stuff. So we're gonna end this video here, bring everything inside and start just enjoying this overall harvest. If you enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button, share it with your friends. And if you wanna contribute to the channel, check out the merch and grab some of the gear. We'll see you in the next one. Me and Tuck, we out.
Oh, my enemy, I see my